What's up, y'all? Up, the 420 is running away from me. I found a new spot. It's under these bridges. It's where the creek runs, but as you can see, it's dried up. There's a little bit of water in there. I'm looking for a safe way in and out of it, right in it. I figured I'd explore, find some new spots, because I get riding in the creek every video gets old, so I want to change it up for y'all. But we're just chilling down here. I just drove here for the first time. And yeah, I'll update y'all on anything else we find down here. It's pretty cool. It's pretty close to my house. So yeah, just wanted to update y'all on that and let me know if y'all like this spot. I found a way down. The only thing is, this just could be dangerous when it's high. It's really rooted, so we got to figure out a way around that. That's one problem, and this is pretty muddy this time of year. But yeah, at least we found a way down. There's a little path. I'll update y'all some more.